Hey homeowners! If your Toshiba TV won't turn on and you're seeing that annoying red light flashing or just stuck on, don't stress. I've got a few simple tricks to get it working again. Let's dive in. First things first. Unplug your TV from the wall. Not just turning it off with the remote, fully unplug the power cord. Now wait for a full 60 seconds. Yep, a full minute. This helps fully reset the TV. Use a timer or count it out if you need to. After a minute, plug your TV back in. Turn it on using the power button on the TV itself, not the remote just yet. If it turns on, awesome, you're all set. If not, don't worry, let's try more steps. Next, unplug the TV again. Find the physical power button, usually under the red light. Press and hold that button for a full minute while it's still unplugged. This drains any leftover power from the TV. Let go and wait another 5 minutes. Patience is key here. Now, plug the TV directly into the wall socket. Skip the power strip or surge protector. Press the TV's power button to turn it on. Fingers crossed. This might be the fix. Still stuck? Try this. Unplug the TV again. Remove every HDMI device from the back. That means Roku, Chromecast, Apple TV, game consoles, all of them. Plug the TV back in and try turning it on. If it powers up, great. Reconnect each HDMI device one at a time, checking the TV after each one. And wait, there is one last method in case all solutions failed to fix the issue. Take out the batteries from all remotes you use with the TV. Press and hold the power button on the remote for 30 seconds. This drains any extra charge left in the remote. Firmly press every button on the remote to free up any dust or stuck buttons. Pop in a fresh pair of brand new batteries. Finally, turn the TV on again using the TV's own button, not the remote. If nothing's worked so far, the issue might be internal, like a faulty mainboard. You might need to get it checked at a repair shop or look online for replacement parts. Let me know in the comments which step worked for you.